Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your language on your Moodle account. Changing the language of your Moodle account is super easy. First of all, open up a web browser of your preference and type in moodle.org and search. After you are inside the main homepage of Moodle, go ahead and click on your profile drop-down at the top right corner and click on the language option. From the list of language, go ahead and choose the language that you want to change to. Within a second, you will be able to change your language setting. For Moodle, you can get back to the same option and change to a different language or get back to your original language according to your preference. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.